Change the way you look at things and the things you look at change. Joe Dispenza. Change begins from within. Imagine if you could transform your life simply by shifting what's inside you. It's a profound truth: the external world is a reflection of our internal state. When you look around and find things not aligning with your desires or expectations, it often means there's work to be done on the inside. It's like tending to a garden: if the soil isn't fertile, the plants won't thrive. Similarly, if your inner landscape is filled with doubts, fears, and negativity, your outer reality will mirror that back to you. We often get caught up in trying to change the external circumstances of our lives without addressing the root cause of these issues. We may want a better job, a more fulfilling relationship, or improved health, but without shifting our internal state, these changes are temporary at best. True and lasting change comes from within. If you want to see a change in your life, you must first clean up the inside, the thoughts, beliefs, and emotions that shape your reality. Let's explore this concept more deeply. Our minds are incredibly powerful. They can either propel us towards success or hold us back with self-limiting beliefs. The way we think, the stories we tell ourselves, and the emotions we hold on to create our personal reality. If you constantly think that you're not good enough or that life is unfair, you're creating a reality where those beliefs are validated. But when you clean up your internal dialogue, replacing negativity with positivity, you start to notice a shift in your external experiences. To start this process, become aware of your thought patterns. Notice what you are constantly thinking about and how those thoughts affect your emotions and actions. If you find yourself stuck in a cycle of negative thinking, it's time to address it. Practice mindfulness to observe your thoughts without judgment. This awareness is the first step toward change. It allows you to identify patterns that no longer serve you and to make a conscious choice to shift them. Next, it's crucial to address your beliefs. Our beliefs are deeply ingrained and often operate on a subconscious level. They dictate how we perceive ourselves and the world around us. If you believe that you're unworthy of success or love, you will unconsciously create situations that reinforce this belief. To alter these beliefs, you need to challenge and replace them with ones that align with the life you want to create. Affirmations and visualizations can be powerful tools in this process. Repeating positive affirmations can help rewire your brain and instill new, empowering beliefs. Emotions play a significant role in this internal cleaning process. Emotions are powerful signals that provide insight into your inner state. If you're feeling constantly unhappy or stressed, it's important to address these feelings rather than suppress them. Techniques such as journaling, meditation, or talking to a trusted friend can help process and release these emotions. By clearing out emotional baggage, you make room for new, positive experiences to enter your life. Another important aspect of cleaning the inside is developing self-compassion. Many of us are our own harshest critics, and this self-judgment can create a lot of internal clutter. Learning to treat yourself with kindness and understanding is essential. Recognize that everyone has flaws and makes mistakes. What's important is how you respond to these imperfections. Instead of berating yourself, practice self-forgiveness and focus on growth. Moreover, our environment and habits also influence our internal state. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and engaging in activities that uplift you can support your internal transformation. This could mean spending time with supportive people, engaging in hobbies you love, or creating a space that feels calming and inspiring. Your external environment can either contribute to or detract from your internal well-being. When you clean up the inside, you're also creating a ripple effect that touches every aspect of your life. Relationships, career, health, everything starts to shift when your internal world is aligned with your desires. You might find that opportunities begin to flow more easily, relationships become more harmonious, and your overall well-being improves. This is because your internal state is in harmony with what you want to achieve, allowing for a more effortless manifestation of your goals. In addition, maintaining this internal cleanliness requires ongoing effort. It's not a one-time task but a continuous process of self-awareness, self-compassion, and self-improvement. Regularly check in with yourself to ensure that you're not falling back into old patterns. Commit to practices that support your mental and emotional well-being, such as mindfulness, meditation, or personal development. Note, you have the power to shape your reality from within. The external changes you seek are a reflection of the work you do inside. By focusing on cleaning up your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, you pave the way for a more fulfilling and successful life. The transformation starts with you and radiates outward, influencing every facet of your existence. In our quest for internal transformation, it's also essential to recognize the power of intention. Intentions are the driving force behind our actions and decisions. They shape our path and guide our efforts. When you set clear, purposeful intentions, you align your inner world with your goals. This alignment creates a powerful synergy that accelerates the manifestation of your desires. For instance, if your intention is to cultivate a sense of inner peace, your actions and choices will start to reflect that. You'll find yourself naturally gravitating towards activities and environments that promote tranquility. Additionally, practice gratitude as a tool for internal cleansing. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, creating a positive internal state. It's a practice that enhances your emotional well-being and fosters a sense of abundance. When you regularly acknowledge and appreciate the good in your life, you're reinforcing positive thought patterns and emotions. This shift in focus can transform your perspective and open the door to more positive experiences. Another vital aspect is the role of self-awareness in this process. Developing self-awareness means gaining a deeper understanding of your own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This awareness allows you to recognize patterns that might be hindering your growth. Through practices like meditation and reflective journaling, you can explore your inner landscape with greater clarity. By identifying and addressing these patterns, you can make conscious choices to alter them, leading to meaningful change. In addition to self-awareness, nurturing resilience is crucial. Life is full of challenges and setbacks, and your ability to bounce back from adversity directly impacts your internal state. Resilience involves developing a mindset that thinks of challenges as opportunities for growth. It means viewing obstacles not as barriers but as stepping stones on your journey. By cultivating resilience, you empower yourself to face difficulties with a positive attitude, maintaining inner stability and confidence. It's beneficial to incorporate practices that support mental and emotional balance. Engaging in regular physical exercise, for example, can have a profound impact on your mental well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and helps to reduce stress and anxiety. Similarly, maintaining a balanced diet and ensuring adequate rest contribute to overall well-being, which in turn supports your internal transformation efforts. It's also important to build supportive relationships that nurture your growth. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and inspire you. Positive relationships provide encouragement, perspective, and motivation. They create an environment where you can thrive and continue to evolve. Conversely, distancing yourself from negative influences can help maintain a healthier internal state, allowing you to focus on your personal growth. Lastly, think of the concept of continual learning. Personal growth is a lifelong journey, and staying open to new knowledge and experiences enriches your internal world. Seek out resources, such as books, workshops, and seminars, that expand your understanding and offer new perspectives. This commitment to learning not only enhances your personal development but also keeps your mind engaged and adaptable. By integrating these practices into your life, you create a robust foundation for internal transformation. This ongoing effort shapes your reality in profound ways, allowing you to experience greater fulfillment and success. Note that change is a gradual process, and each step you take in cleaning up the inside brings you closer to the life you envision. Trust in the process and stay committed to nurturing your internal state, knowing that every positive change within you will inevitably manifest in your external world. As you begin on this journey of internal cleaning, trust that you are creating a solid foundation for the life you desire. Each step you take in addressing and transforming your internal state brings you closer to your goals. Think of the process with patience and persistence, knowing that every effort you make contributes to a more positive and abundant reality. In conclusion, changing the outside begins with cleaning up the inside. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth that requires honesty, effort, and compassion. By aligning your internal state with your desired outcomes, you open the door to a more harmonious and fulfilling life. Your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions are powerful tools in shaping your reality. Clean them up, and watch as your external world transforms to match the beauty and potential within you. If you found this message resonating with you, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us reach more people who can benefit from this message. Share it with friends and family who might need a reminder of the power of internal transformation. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to sharing more insights with you.